Okay, seeing as you're back, that must mean you've been successful in aligning and mating the three parts of our assembly so far. We're now ready to move on to the next stage. The next stage is then be kind of a one of choice, but let's take a look at our components we still need to insert here. We do need to bring in the wheel at some point. We do have an axle to bring in, and we do have the bushings and so forth to put together. What I think we'll then do is we'll then go ahead and bring in I think the wheel at this point. So go ahead and select the wheel, and let's bring that into our drawing. And notice that because our temporary axis option is still active, as soon as we bring that wheel in, it does show its temporary axis position. And that wheel is going to fit right nice and snug inside of our two axle supports. So since I know that, I'm going to place it relatively in that area, but not too tight because I need to work and get things into position. This portion, or part 3 here, was going to take very little time to put together, in that we still want the wheel to be able to roll or turn if we need to. So this takes a single constraining mate. So let's go ahead and go to our mate option. In this case, we could do concentric or coincident. Either one of those will work. I'm a fan of the coincident one here, mainly for what it's going to do, because all I want to do right now is get it into position. I'll worry about its, at least the vertical position here. Horizontally, I'll take, or the distance between the two supports, I'll work out here in just a minute. I'm just going to take this axis that goes through the wheel and align it to one of the axis lines inside the wheel's axle support plate. And that will place that nicely into alignment, and so we're ready to go and move on to the next stage. That completes part 3 of our assembly. Go ahead and place your wheel and mate it together now.